previous class we have already discussed about the acidic character of the alcohols. Now, regarding this, I discussed the reaction of metals with the alcohols and what are the characteristics of the alkoxide, different alkoxide, primary, secondary, and tertiary alkoxide ion to as a base and as a nucleophile. Now, in this video, we will discuss other reactions, chemical reactions, which is given by alcohol, in which we will break the this OH bond we will break and we will get those reactions. What are those reactions? Second reaction is when alcohol react with an when alcohol reacts with an acid when it is reacting with the acid means suppose RC double bond O single bond OH. This is one of the compound in which when it is reacting with the ROH, R dash I am giving, R dash why I have given, see R is the alkyl group, R dash is different alkyl group. Then we can understand how the compounds are formed. See, in the presence of this reaction will take place in the presence of sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. So once in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, this one will react with the alcohol. It will give you RO C double bond O single bond R dash. That means again I am writing R dash C double bond OH OH plus if we write alcohol as HOR, then this bond we are breaking here. So actually the H and OH will react and which one will be eliminated? Water molecule, and we are getting R dash C double bond O single bond O R. This is the ester. As the ester is formed in this reaction is also known as esterification reaction. This is esterification reaction of the alcohol. So example, CH3CH2OH if reacts with CH3COOH acetic, this is ethanoic acid is reacting with the what ethanol in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, then we will get what? Water will be removed and we will get CH3C double bond O single bond, and this part we have taken, okay, CH3C double bond O single bond. From here this full H only will be omitted, so this one we will take O, then CH2, then CH3. Like this way we will get the ester RCOO R dash or R dash COOR. So ester we are getting. Am I clear? So this is the first another reaction, esterification reaction. What will happen if the alcohol will react with the acyl chloride R dash COCl? You can take this one R dash COCl. Same thing, from here H we will break this bond, that means H we are getting, and this from there Cl minus will be reacting with this H plus, and we will get R dash C double bond O OR. Again this is what? This is ester plus HCl will be formed. So in this case also we are getting the ester. What is the fourth reaction? Same type of reaction I am telling about. All in this all, we are getting what? Esters. First is what? When alcohol is reacting with the acid, we are getting this ester. When alcohol is reacting with the acyl chloride, we are getting another ester. Now this acyl chloride, why? Due to the presence of this RCO group, we are telling it as the acyl. Okay. Another one is what? If ROH is reacting with, suppose RC double bond O, single bond O, single bond C, double bond O, single bond R. This you can take this R dash, R double dash. Then what will happen? You can tell that in this case the product which will be obtained is first of all R dash C double bond O, single bond O, R. Okay. Another one is what? R dashed double dashed COOH. This we will get in this case. Am I clear? So these are the mainly here. This is also ester. This is also ester. Okay. So we can get the ester by three reactions. One is when alcohol is reacting with the acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Water will be removed to give the ester. This is mainly called the esterification reaction. In another cases we are seeing what? Acylation reaction takes place. That means what? Means acyl group. Acyl group is there with the chlorine. This is called acyl chloride. If this R is CH3, then we tell it as acetyl chloride. Okay, so acyl chloride, when react with the alcohol, we will get another ester. In this case, HCl is removed, and third is what? ROH is reacting with the acid anhydride. This is acid anhydride. Two acid molecule, from there one molecule of water if removed, then it is called acid anhydride. So if acid anhydride is reacting with the alcohol, we are getting the ester. So these are the main reaction in which we are getting the esters. Okay, so now another reaction I am telling about, this is reaction of alcohol with the Grignard reagent. Suppose if your Grignard reagent is R dash MgX. Am I clear? R dash is one molecule of alkyl group again, and this is magnesium, this is halogen. X may be Cl, maybe bromine. Okay, so when ROH is reacting with this one, you will get what? You will get one alkane. Which alkane? In which the alkyl group is mainly coming from the Grignard reagent. Am I clear? So it is coming from the Grignard reagent. As for example, I am telling you, suppose convert CH3OH2 C2H5OH. C2H6. Am I clear? So if it is this C2H6, convert C2H5OH means methanol to ethane. You can use here CH3OH fine, but along with this you can use the alkyl halide. Suppose MgCl I have taken. Along with this, which R dash you will use? From which you will get the C2H5. C2H5. So this is what actually ethyl alkyl group. So if you are taking C2H5 MgCl, then this C2H5 will be added with this H and you will get what? C2H6, which is our required alkane. Am I clear? So this, from this alcohol you will get the alkane. So remember this thing, that which alcohol you are using to get the alkane, this is not important. Which alkyl magnesium halide you have taken, this alkyl group is main group from which you are getting the alkane. So which alkane you are getting, that you need to understand. If it is C2H6, you need to take this C2H5 MgCl. If it is C3H7, if it is C3H8, suppose your alkane is this one. What is the name of this one? Propane. This is simple propane. If you want to get the propane, then which alkyl magnesium halide you will choose? This is your question. Pause the video and please give me the answer. Now the answer will be what? In this case, the alkyl magnesium halide will be C3H7, one hydrogen less, magnesium chloride. And if it will react with any alcohol, you can take C2H5OH also. If you are adding this, then we will get what? We will get the C3H8. Am I clear? So this is your required alkane in this case. So is this clear? All the reactions, general means normal reactions, I already discussed with you, in which we have broken the ROH bond. I said you OH bond we are breaking, and we have shown you the reaction in which the, what are the reaction I discussed? First reaction is reaction with metal. Next reaction is, so I'm writing it, reaction with metal. Next is what? Reaction is, you can write it down, reaction with metal. With metal, first reaction we have discussed. Secondly, in which we have already discussed the acidic character of the alcohol. Acidic character of alcohol. Second reaction we have discussed, that is the esterification reaction, in which esterification I showed you by first of all when ROH is reacting with the acid. Another ester which we are getting when the acyl halide is reacting with the alcohol, and third ester we have got when the acid anhydride is reacting with the alcohol. So in all these cases we are getting what? Esters. So esterification, after that the reaction with RCOCl, acyl chloride, and acid anhydride. That reaction also we have discussed, DRIDE, okay, anhydride. And the last reaction which we have discussed, that was the reaction with Grignard reagent. So in this video, that much only, no more discussion today. Next video we will discuss the another reaction which involves the RO, breaking of RO bond. We will show those reactions. Thank you class. If you have any doubt, please ask it in the group. Thank you for today.